for great success. True. Yeah. So glad you figured that out before disaster. Do you think I was gonna jump for it? Oh. Okay. Wait, I can grab onto plants here, right? I don't know. Are plants grabbable? Oh, they are. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, I'm cooking. I'm cooking, baby. Never mind. This is terrifying. Oh. Oh, I see the danger there. Oh, this is just baby games before the big stuff, is what it is. Yeah. All right, we're just playing my music. We're just playing my music. I'm turning it down, but we're playing my music. What even happened? I don't know. I don't know. I genuinely don't. What just happened made me want to cry. Side gap. Ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum. All right, slow and methodical, right? That's me. That's House of House. Slow and methodical. Well thought out. Well planned. Everything I do is slow, methodical, well thought out, intelligent. Yeah. Yes. Yep. Oh, you tried to get me there, didn't you? You gotta get your hand like right in the corner right there. Oh my god, please. Just grab onto something. Just. Oh my God, you're scaring me. Yep. Oh. Yeah, right there. That crack right there, that's where my hand needs to be. Caveman rage. I think I'm gonna head to bed. Surely you'll do better. Yeah. Yeah, Aaron, thank you for coming in and hanging out. I appreciate you, dude. I hope you have a good night. Sleep good. Good night, House. Hope you have fun with this. Noob, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with us. You fucking legend. You and Aaron, you legends. I appreciate you both. Yeah, I'll turn the music down a little bit. Let's see Caveman Rage. Yeah, I'm featuring that. Yeah, that's getting a feature. Oh my God. What? Is it featuring? Hold on, let me reload. Oh yeah, it's featured. Oh, we're good. I thought you were gonna eat your mic. I thought I was too. I definitely debated it. I thought about sticking this whole thing in my mouth. The whole thing. That's not my music. Life in America. All right. I think music volume's about where it was. Right. Good. Right. Good. Yes. Oh. Oh, I'm so glad that it like auto locks your hands. I'm like, I'm so close to angry shitting. Oh my God, stop. Just carefully, methodically place your hand right there. Thank you. Oh my God, that's all you had to do. Yep.